After Samsung's launch, rumors abound among Apple fans speculating whether Apple will introduce its own smart ring. The landscape of wearable technology is continually evolving, from fitness trackers to smartwatches like the Apple Watch. Now, the focus is shifting towards smart rings. The Oura Ring pioneered this category in 2015, followed by other contenders. This week, Samsung launched its Galaxy Ring at its Unpacked event, marking its entry into the smart ring market with health tracking and sleep monitoring features. After Samsung's launch, rumors abound among Apple fans speculating whether Apple will introduce its own smart ring, although Apple has neither confirmed nor denied these speculations. Here are some genuine reasons why Apple may not venture into making a smart ring. Reasons why Apple won't make a smart ring: no unique health feature. The Oura Ring and Samsung's Galaxy Ring focus on health scores derived from user data. However, Apple's watchOS 11 already integrates vital apps for measuring overall health, workout intensity, and duration. Since these features are already well covered in smartwatches, there may be little new to offer in a ring format. Limited life-saving capabilities. Apple promotes its products, particularly the Apple Watch, as capable of saving lives by detecting heart health issues or initiating emergency calls. A ring lacks the necessary sensors and capabilities to perform these critical functions. And potential conflicts with Apple Intelligence. Apple is investing heavily in Apple Intelligence, aimed at enhancing Siri's capabilities to simplify daily tasks. Promoting a smart ring as superior in controlling commands could contradict this larger vision of AI integration. Environmental impact. Apple has committed to achieving 100% carbon neutrality in 6 years. Introducing a new product like a smart ring would require ensuring it is sustainable and does not add to environmental concerns. These factors illustrate why Apple may prioritize enhancing its existing wearable technology rather than entering the smart ring market at this time.